6 students' organizations of Manipur, including MSF, DESAM, KSA, SUK and AIMS, have warned of launching intense actions if the government continues to ignore their repeated appeal to stop occupation of security forces in educational institutes. In a joint press release, the 6 students' organization emphasized that allowing that students to learn without fear and disturbance in educational institutes is vital in ensuring the right to education, which is a fundamental right of the students. They further expressed concern that learning under duress or pressure inside an educational campus will not be conducive in learning and hinder producing good students, while recalling that there were multiple instances of creating disturbances in the education sector due to occupation of educational institutes by security forces in the past. The students' organization decried that the government has not listened to their repeated appeals to refrain from such acts. The students' organization then urged the government to stop occupation of security forces in educational institutes and hostels in the future.